Yo, assalamu alaikum. Mr. Sohna, barfamo keda. Sisa kundanko, sidi sisa nge konton. Mrs. Fatou Cham nge konton bake. Babkar Baro ngalbe konton baflala, assalamu alaikum. Yo, mina kacha minna wolomu, who is a Gambian citizen. Akumayata bake purungalon bao. Minaduna election iyale kono andum. Gambia is a country mi yalon ko nka luntangol welcome le womanke bikuti. Andum niya korosi lunta ya ala fawla ya marolo woti. Ako ni ay dunia fanundile ni ya fil ko manku min ke no ya ma soto no ya isa soto no dami akay dunia fanundile sitaje. Oton say Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tentu bake ntelu Gambia we will not be xenophobic andun ntekela moluti milia lonko ntelu ntangol welcome la bilay Muhammad aketa wata aketa famodi. So ntelu we want to welcome citizens from all over the world. Momo ya lonko esitano Gambia but ibe min kela wolo mu Gambia la loi keta fewo fenti ya make so yo loi ni respect. Yo bar follow janimbe duna o kachanyin kono nse na leader minketa His Excellency President Talib Ahmed Bensouda sa konton back ani movement o be ani na Alpha Ba minketa kemo bojanti because adamalo mu designated Alpha to follow min tombonta movement o nyin kono. Yo mbe konton na bake mbe tentula mbe jaila mbe movement o la mobilize solu ngajele kunung was a very busy day for the movement from Jara kana fo Kombokan ngaje movement o itata Pirang itata Jara itata dol fango tata lord mayo fango tara la na biroto oto mbe tentula bake mbe jaila mol minul fanalu nata yo ngajele moli pettiness kumas because there is a group milko e botanan kanilaile e koy nata kafuta lord mayo Talib Ahmed Bensouda ma anin kela lafo yitandi movement ola mbafule ko our brothers and sisters, our uncles, our fathers minuli alon koy nata mbe tentula mbe jaila mbafule ko they are most welcome. Yo nga pettiness je mol ba fokan ko milko wol manke kanila in cold just to remind them pour que remind Yaya Jammeh 2016 election the polling station in Kanilai Yaya Jammeh boyta otole pral salon for your information. Yaya Jammeh boyta Kanilai sato fan konole for your information boyta jele. So it doesn't mean ko everybody in Kanilai yaje fonyin kolu ikuninta politiko kono baki fonyin kolu kuninta politiko kono baki fonyin kol man du nyoka ya fuko jamu fonyile ya bota fonyile mobe nyanta tarla APRC le fonyin kol ma wokede democracy tamatale da manglu tema so ton se tentu wala baki nge jay mba fola o kanila en kole ko nge bismillah UMC nga fonyin kol be bismillah UMC nga Gambia be bismillah UMC mu Gambia be la patriote yo nimbota auto lafta nyim fana yitandila ko His Excellency Lord Mayor Talib Ahmed Bensouda will be the guest at For the People by the People 6 o'clock. For the People by the People nimi malo wolom Sariam Marong Pasamba Jaw Musa Jeng Bankamane ikatara platform o mindo. So 6 o'clock mbesa katangataje mbedaniro kuta la kotake ni His Excellency Talib Ahmed Bensouda bije ibe diamuka UMC la kola bang ibe diamuka banko la kola bang ibe diamuka purka ntella leader interview albe molu jela mili alon ko ibite ba nenna mbalu danila mo kana nendiro jabi nale nendiro jabi alkam batandile because ni moyen ite neng ifana ya neng is it Basiru Suzo bas sai ka fonyelo Musa o Musa bas tengum bas ite tegunde is it Bas Hupatal bas ni talo ma fonya bang assalamu alaikum sister Mari cham mane nge kontom bag is it Bas in Hupatal please tell me because man dere fonko jega bas moy da go Musa o Musa because man tara UDP sai wala yati na Musa ke da Musa o Musa ko de o UDP ko la ko kan defa jelola so dukare mbalu danila momo tata platform moto kana insult ke ali bula ni momo be insulting ke kan alkane jabi yaje nali ye jaba alke jawyandile kunu kolombang ntangaje modole safero ke Facebook ngo mato fa bi ntene na moto si faje Gambia akon tenyanta kondo falin na le nga bondi ntela wulula hali kondo mindi na ngake Ben Sudan so nga safe ngo who is this lost person because lafta lafta nun ka mari long ni nga mari long num isajen salon no ngana fay ko no ni te kondom fo nyem kondom fali ne tele kondom la mbem kondom fali ne tele kondom la so bas Hupatal be nyaadi follow iko Musa mbeto jabi la because bar ndebuka village boy jabi ni ano min diata la ya besafe ndebuka al jabi I don't even know you people ndema na long altele kana na live to altele kana safero ke dara silfo bayo songo silfo bayo songo ndel la problème bu barole ni ano na altel nata talib nyine ke o talib man nyinke o talib man fenkete talib kete ne o ak ngay ko wala nan kay ko application o safe yeta yafu ko ilafta tala talib le audit la silfo songo silfo bayo songo tayo ke so mimbije ali tuje ni tata ni haniate ba nenkan let nobody reply to their insult mo kane neng mo kana femfoy mo kane neng mo kana fewo femfoy ngalu dani alinga concentrate ike moldo la myotic thinking long daming wolom nyintiko when we were with them we were heroes so alamuta oto ndabuka mo kalantan jabi honestly nimi lafta lonna you go eta IEC nyinin la data la weda ya jamme won in Kanilai coalition ole ya jamme dang in Kanilai 2016 mbedan na wolo manta mo jabi la kumola so the program is about who is a citizen because as a fall a situation le sambana No, Bakar Keta, mbela nyin delete lale. Don't worry about that. Mbela nyin comment or delete lale. Ntabuka osi falu jabi. Dukare ngete dani. You don't go as low as them. Please. Nge dani wala. Sorry that nga delete le. I'm fine, Damfa Saho. I'm fine. Yes, brother Ablai Jaban. Who is a citizen in a country? Yaje esa fali e fenne sambana. Mi alonko. Abete hata baki. Purumol yalong. Because Gambia has been a country of welcoming people. Andum wobe remain lale ntelu tekela xenophobic. Ntelu we still welcome people minuli alonko inata banko kebe banko la sartol ni lualu ibatakan. Ntelu bemu luntangol leti wandi banko kan. Bemu luntangol leti wandi banko kan. So oto alngam bulol yele luntangol ye. Ni luntangol nata na banko kan alngam bulo yele. You see, citizen of a country, tonyalo mu Gambia la luwa be nyamin, inyanta wulula Gambia la wala ila wulula lu nyanta wulula Gambia le. Ila wulula kilin ni waketa Gambia noti, hani wuluta China le mu Gambia ndingolati. Hani wuluta China le, ni ila wulula kilin mu Gambia ndinguti drong, imu Gambia nolati. Wala yatina niya juve, the Gambian nationality law, is regulated by the Constitution of the Gambia as amended. The Gambian Nationality and the Citizenship Act it is revision under various international agreements to which the country is signatory. So Gambia and Kujamale agree with the international world about citizenship. Wala yatina intelu Gambia dingulu nyantanke kula bagi. B Gambia dingo mi yalon kay nationality soto wandi banko kan. Womu thousands of Gambians let. Bari ya soto nyadile legally. Oto lundawol fanale right soto nte la banko kanne pour kake banku dingu tije legally. And there are legal fundamental rights William means to be a citizen of that country. So, as I falie minfo, I fully supported that. Nil lafita 2026 election, I control no. I think Gambian, all the opposition parties nyanta minkela wolom nyintiko to look for a way forward to change that voters card. The voters card, anyantaka faline. Nimma wo voters card of falling. It is going to be a problem because mbeka foleko voters card will be luntangol bulule. Minuli alonko luntangol mimmangi alonko iman eligible pour carte fayo ke bankoka. Because nibe luntangol luntanyanta carte fayo bankoka nyanta naturalize la. Anyanta ka naturalize la. Andu ite carte fayo no lante la bankoka ikate ite fango la bankoka ko ke carte fayo. No. Imanyana kaoke. So oto karte fai kaito nyanta ka fali wo banko kane. I am giving credit to Esafal for that. Wo is a big issue because ndela karte fai kaito sefol ning alkalo la attestation o nga problemo soto woleto bake. This is where we get problem because wolkenale dro ye identified wrong ye kaito dila wrong andu nini o kaito futata IEC official olma ima right soto case stop because bankola constitution oleko nini attestation o nata inyanta fonko soto la so wala atina nalie 2020 draft o jube yaki jele ko alkalo nin sefol manyanka attestation o di which is very good. Which is very, very good. Emanyanka attestation odi. So, the citizenship right, this law determine who is or is eligible to be a national of the Gambia. The legal means to acquire nationality, formal legal membership in a nation, differ from the domestic relationship of rights and obligations between a national and a nation. This is very simple. It is very clear. So nibe kela banku dimuti banko kan. Ye obligations le soto. Ila right fanang ye right sol le soto. Ite nyanta mune kelo no pour ka o banko dimuti. Aba explain la lede. Amandan donko drong inyanta na la banko kanne you spend number of years yena yeke o banko dimuti. No, you don't have to be a liability in that country. Andu ndelbe ngalon tubab du jang ni nyanta tubabol ilafte la passport o tala. Ibukatra in the social system ye passport o dila. You cannot be in the social system because neither social system which means ko itelle bete ma ko ka itelle bete finance ka itelle bete la ko be ke kan so ikete jele ko you are a liability wala atina jama ke nyinin ke la tax return paper la ila tax return because tax return means ko you are not on the social payroll. So our nationality describes the relationship of an individual to a state under international law, whereas citizens is the domestic relationship of an individual with a nation. Gambian nationality is typically obtained under the principle of Homo Latin word jus sanguinis, born to a parent of a Gambian. Jus, J-U-S, S-A-N, Guinis. It's a Latin word. You have to be born with a parent of a Gambian national. Then you are a national of Gambia. So sign. With a Gambian nationality, it can be granted to person with affiliation to the country or a permanent resident who has lived in a country for a given period of time. Saying it is going, imagine saya Abal Sambakang, who can be a nationality of Gambia. How can you acquire that? Now, Wollo Mumol to Minulia Lonko, we call them they are foreigners. They came to Gambia. Coming ndeketa foreigner tinyaming in Germany. Maricham keda foreigner tinyaming in Norway. Alaji Drame keda foreigner tinyaming in Germany. Bini Alaji Drame wanted to take a German passport. Number one, ibani ninkala minulla. Aliye lamoy fanang Gambian kolka moli ninka munela. Before you become a national, in order for you to vote in Gambia. Ni a German passport also ni election or city kesa fail. They write you because you are in their system already. Ikesa fail later la. Itele ba decide la whether it a carte of file or it a carte of file la. But ikesa fail because he right so ka carte of file. So andum ngalong ko most of the European countries fanambe wala nyam. So sign. Let me go to naturalization anyway. Let's go to naturalization. Naturalization, you are not a citizen of that country, but you come to that country, now you want to become a citizen of that country. Then the process that you go, it is called naturalization. So say, naturalization can be granted to persons who reside in the territory of the Gambia for a sufficient period of time to confirm they understand the customs, the tradition of the society, the custom and tradition of the society. And Germany nive kera fonkotije citizenity wala neke samba munela ikata integration course kele. Atutebe region minto. Nibe o regional minto. Original Nibe regional minto. Original you mostly German only la question o be nyinin kala ela flag la ita bota regional minto be nyinin kala ela flag la so ike nyinin ka original la kol la bake so ise nyinin kano German fanga la kol la le ise nyinin kano but basically jama ike nyinin ka bake ita be regional minto ike nyinin ka wala ya bas barna nomba be bulle go yalo fo mbo birim bota UDP na nomba delete le ka wona inbox mi yol nomba no dem kana nomba di UDP ngala sai so okay bas nem parela yaje the general provisions are the application have good character and conduct. So wala atina nive wandi banko kan, you have to behave good. Gambia fananka wala formolier. For these people that kon ka fominuli go, lunta on fonkolo. Some of them yenin criteria sol be sotole. We have to be accommodative. We have to accept people. And Gambia has been welcoming people, all thanks to Sadora Kairaba Jawara and the government. They have done very well. Purka makes Soko, Gambia was a peaceful country. Gambia was a country that people love to come. Yes, Yusuf, mbe kontrona. Ndagana nomba faline mamu. Ndagana nomba faline. Malawi yudi binga ena nomba soro. Nama nge bau sende. De yudi binga ma affaire soro saing. I know ko ite to kelo. So ntalu mbe nyanta min understand la Gambia nka moy mon la ko kar natale kar ketatene Gambia be natal de. Let us understand that Gambia be nata Gambia be nata Gambia mo be nata Gambia. So saying this naturalization application, number 1, good conduct. Good conduct is part of it. Good conduct is part of it. Wala tina nibe naturalize la banko kay ka ko, you have to bring a certificate of character. Certificate of character. Mamu, I know that nobody can separate me and you. Certificate of character. No, I was just joking. Mana number fale, na number be bas bulle. Malom fatele number kudo sotoban. So sign. What naturalization law, you have to get a good character, good record. Because but you have a period of time, fana. What period of time for your exit? Janni itebeke nola citizen of that country. So what period of time, fana? Mbe fana fola liele, abinala. Okay. Ako applicant must typically have resided in the country for 15 good years. If you want to naturalize in Gambia, you have to ndala program ay minine sotode na program ay minine sotode ngalo hagil mal ba understand where I'm going. Mili al fanke ko altel tamu Gambia abe ko lale. So 15 years inyanta wole sotola Gambia banko kan janning ibe naturalize nola kake banku dimoti janni be naturalize nola pour kake banku dimoti 15 good years niyo 15 years or soto. The law makes no provision for children adopted by Gambian or children who lives in the Gambia, but those parents are unknown. So, for example, adopted children. And in Niko children, anyone who is below 18. Sai munlom wolla fonkoti. Purwole keno Gambian. Gambian nationality, beside foreigners, meet the criteria. Other persons who may be naturalized include the spouse. Niye Gambia muso soto, itabota nang China, inara Gambia, ye Gambia muso soto. That's why itale la number faling bas. Ndapanda number faling. Ndapukana number faling. Wala dinay. So murula or record kana number be bulle. Because niya faling ko reke bina nyini kala number la. Ndapukana number faling. Ndapukana number faling. So yaji. Eko other persons who may naturalize include the spouse. For example, ni bota China ye Gambia muso futu, or China keo anata Gambia muso futu, or China muso Gambia keo ya futu. Ni dingo soto, o dingolu Gambia nolo. Gambia la lua ya itandi nyami, o dingolu mo Gambia nolo let. Ni mu minority under 18. You can automatically become a Gambian. Niya tarako ila parents in naturalized. So it dingol wolka ke natural fonkole so. Gambia ya ke wole nyama, but in Europe it dingo mi wuluta. Ayatara iteketa nationality. Wole kan nationality so. But in hani dingo mu minority. Idingo mu minority iteketa citizen to Europe. Idingo buka automatic passport or sotono, if it are true process lela, maybe 1 year after sinana year, 2 years or dealer or 3 years, free show dealer, then they can apply for nationality. itelte o longer period of time sotola comme ite tata process minna itelte o sotola. But now who can lose nationality is very important because saying ntella banko kan problem o mimbije nga voluntangole you are welcome ngal welcome le banko kan laftan nale si banko kan kaira nin kaira wala yatine ko nal be kela citizenity ali fonko soto ali good conduct soto, and you have to understand the customs and values for you understand wala adna sign most of the countries janni bela passport o dilela ika exams like so they want you to know their culture and tradition wala atinna ka ko enyanta ka integrate le ni tara banko kan enyanta ka integrate enyanta bake integrate. Okay. Yalong let's talk about Gambia because Germany anybody who want to be a citizen there is a standard way. There is a standard way. Either because Germany is a federal state. But you cannot beat that system. They have their system which is very unique. So that one in the Labankolon problem whether some people they will naturalize for abeka silola fabuka kenin silola. That is the question now because dulal milialon ko kodo si kuoku sino molla kodo si tarebulu Germany ni kodo be bulu ikeda big businessman oti nata Germany or nata England wala tata America wo State Department found about facilitate la because of itala economic level benyami you are not going to be a liability. In fact, you are going to create jobs in their country. Ila interest lomu is afo if someone say offer iko naftaka nationality dealer. But me and you have to go through the right process because bengalo. Okay, loss of nationality, which is very important. So ole atina na karte fayo kumayata back. I think it is better all the opposition come together purungana karte kaitol falling. It is going to be very important because this loss of nationality Gambianol stricta canne by law written but albealo ni carte fayobe caring most of the time no Baz in I don't know of Wuppertal, but in Cologne if you are a citizen mi wuluta ayatara passport o bete bul wala kake automatic citizenity bari momo ya lonko a wulutale ayatara iteman passport o nyin soto ebuka citizenship diala will go through the right process nada the right process o nyinna then yana is in our citizenship diala from a number of years then is as I apply after the Umba Free State in Cologne side. I don't know of Wuppertal side because ni nata din ilamuso idingo wuluta ayatara passporo bete bulle wo automatically woka passporo le soto. I know about that, but momo wuluta before itebela passporo soto la isa sambana nole in any of European country but abita process to obtain that passport anyway. Okay, mbatude ning January yefene savejako every person born in the Gambia after the coming into force of 1997 constitution shall presume to be a citizen of the Gambia by birth if at time of his or her parent birth one of his or her parent is a citizen of yes January, this is what I said. You can be a citizen if one of your parents are citizen. No matter where you are born, you can become a Gambian citizen. You can claim that. I think we are on the same page on that. So, but now, how could they revoke your nationality? You have to be involved in certain criminalities, then is in a nationality revoke no bulu. Which is very even in Europe, ikafoele. Like Germany, ni bela passport hala, ikafoele herzlich Glückwunsch, bist du jetzt eingebürgert. Ikaole foe. Welcome, you are now joining us. Ikafoe wala nya. You are now joining us. Nene la friendo abe tramo kono, abitaka. Ako tubabo kaiko, treno ko. Ako tubabo kaiko. Ibota banku jumala kan. Jamano, kaiko. I'm a German. Kaiko, yeah, about dynastic land. In a real country. because he's a black, so I had to go, okay, yes, he got a German status by obtaining German passport, but his origin. So I need to yeah, okay. Es bin Deutscher, aber ja, ich weiß, du bist ein Deutscher, aber welche richtige Land kommen Sie? Another item. So, sometimes travel, they kind of like that, they don't understand. Ila lua lomu, nke la kaitol obtain, but ila momo e molje sate okono, they think that intel be katare la banko kane illegally, ikaole mira. Because they don't understand. So saying somebody can lose his nationality. Gambian national can renounce the nationality pending approval by the state. Ni lafte la Gambian nationality renounce. Comme Dr. Cisse, alota la ko, alafta nunca president yani ni CA. So, wa CA, Gambia la lua ko, ite president ya kenola if you have a dual citizenship. A dual citizenship. So Dr. Cisse ko ayala citizenship Murundi. But near citizenship Murundi, you will force near citizenship Murundi. Number one, follow. Eka phone call a soto. Eka kaito key to the Gambia government, the foreign office, and in president's office. The president have to append it. Ko ni yala citizenship sendil. So ila Gambia passport eka ofanan sendile. Then ya so. Wotumo accordingly nena bajere bari ko immigration no dolbe je no wato ni yala passport sendi buka so because o wato passport lu manke biometric code. E kanata lo le wuture general do ki tampo ka wala. So according to iko ikanao system o ikamuru no system ko. Okay, Mariko in Sweden, in Norway, the only time your kids can have a passport is when one of the parents or both Norwegian before the child is born. Yeah, thank you. When the child, before the child is born, ni passport also. The Germany fanambe wala nyama, ntenga understand wala nyama. Yes, ntenga understand. Anyway, I don't know. Y'all know China passport or stuff for that. Okay, so sign this thing. Yaje, you can only bring Ismaila Cisse Tata nung pamodla radio to one day. I even call ntafanga call keje. Ni bela passport o sendila akata through foreign office and in president's office. There are 2 certificates, 2 documents. Ni passport tada Gambia ika sole to cancel it. Itala passport. But according to, because Gambia is a very corrupt country, so wato if the molka dilo ke buka passport so ika ila passport wafu, which is troubling. For example, ni entela passport wafu, mi alonko, but German thank God sign Europe, thank God sign visa buka ke passport kono. Visa for ni bina first entry wole katara passport kono bari ila status ika katle di now residence permit abeka ka katolet bari wotumo akatara passport ole bala umbe free solombang any level of visa ika kenum passport ole bala no but sign to able have passed that level now iwole obulale so sign Okay, that is how it is in Switzerland also. Okay, yajel. Birin size kunda so da Switzerland. To abdu diaral size kunda ngol fanal kana to abdu. Fo tuawul ke la passport chike kadila size kunda ngol. Aninga sama kunda ngol ni jabi kunda ngol. La sila kunda ngol. No to abdu diaral de. To abdu diaral. Switzerland original olu si se kunda ngol ka passport soto je yalo Swiss olu mu sedi le Swiss mu sedi le de okay so you see now ebe mola kaito ni be la ni la kaito sendi the president have to accept ko ni yala nationality sendi le and they will certify you with a certificate called denunciation certificate. What denunciation certificate? Ite fanan kana wole samba to the authorities itebe banko minkang. Watolo wolka wojeko, yes, officially he or she has been denounced in his country, then elafta kela banku do minna nationality ti yena wala passporota. Wotumonu Gambia, it's a Gambia passport or retain nole, a German passport or sort of dual citizenship. Okay, Barry, there was some time your dual citizenship on you stop le. But nga moy koteke, I'm not sure. Bas ni bejang, nga moy lo koteke dol ka foko amurutale, but nte malong, nte malong. Eda mo kamera kundangkol de pa ala kamera kundangko. Eda ka tu domoro la wala re bukan la moyno. But you are welcome, my brother. Welcome. Thank you. So ni accept saying ila kaitolu binala jang. Saying ni la kaitolu nata. Ka foko saying mus citizen leti. Woba tinanle. Wala atinna ni keta citizen ti banko kang, you have to behave. If not, is ela passport rolling, is a revoke nole. Ibulu. It's a revoke nole. And muneatinda ngani topico samana because we are in an election year. Minul ka carte o fa intella banko kan nka fo minule ko luntangol lo mum fangol ke sute ko man naturalize. Ika carte o fa na banko kan. Mfangol ka lon ko nyilu imang wo right soto ka carte o fa bari ka carte o fa. After that lom nkaneje dolubeje kanake nationality. Yaje. So, okay, thank you, Pa. Then you don't need to watch me. If I fail you, because of not being in UDP, I fail you. How? I'll tell my argument, I'll tell my whole story. But the politics, please. So, nationals may be denaturalized in the Gambia for performing acts like is a lot of passport, is a lot naturalization or cancel no on certain acts near okay. Voting beolekon, voting act, niatinya, voting, which are afforded to citizens of another country committing serious crime, committing crimes against the state or state security. You see, imanke banko dingti. Itataka karte ofai. It's a very serious crime against the state security. So auto momo lafita ka carte o fay altalia naturalize ntelu lafta le naturalize yaje bankola advantage lomu banku dingul yesia bankola advantage lomde, and we want you people to naturalize alta through the right process la. You have 15 years in a country, tie naturalize simple. I am Ezafal na mbafula. I thank you for this. Ni mose Ezafal tag no. I na dunjang. I na kachado ke janga bebete ala baki because Esa is fighting for that. Purukan na voters card falling because na voters card landed fraudulently in the hands of some people. Bari ite bol jeno la rangoto nyadi le ko be fintindi la rangoto ko wolte carte o faila. The police are there. What are the police doing there? They want to maintain law and order. They want to maintain law and order so that there is no pandemonium. There is no thing. They want everything to be in peace. Mbengaje janne in kiang kanyina nyin sato tola way defawla bo botaje jataba kian jataba. I saw mbengaje janne last election paral le fangoy mol escort nan mol koy botanan Casamance le. And Gambia la border is very, very, very porous border until wole bembul. Okay. You can collect it. No problem, Mr. Sanya. Our borders are very, very porous. Gambia, Casamance, nin Casamance, duladol nin Casamance fango tema. Nta fango nene tata dimbaya. Ni tambita das la mela. Na holiday dolo. Ntele fanga moto mala dron ko mbat ngata. Billahi ko biri ngatra Gambia la border in dimbaya la border fa hero le be laring. Hero. So mon kabonan dimbaya le kana sandro le Gambia. So wo border to they use both currencies. Casamance Gambia so ni mol ka bonan wo border line also ikana ka fuko tel mu Gambia non le tika carte of Gambia. You look Africa, we need to respect each other. Muna bente bondi la Germany ngom kata carte of Switzerland ne danko dron pour Swiss la mimbe lola way to sirinje abende na fala munela oh wait wole na ka kodo nobody will even dream about that. But why they are doing this to Africans? Why until final tem mira no la tenting wisely? Nta bota Senegal muna ba tina nta bita carte of la Gambia on ta bota Gambia muna ba namita Senegal kata ka dumoto la kata ka Senegal la right busi la ka carte of je o banku dumul menete yam fotu la altelier because albe fenne ke kan imalaf minna. Don't involve yourself in it. Mbenga mo le Ghana town iko ka bring jamme bije ni carte fayo kanasi ika voters card di la bar ni tata ID card ni ke reject. So how many times will you okay? How many times? So say, eco voting act yaje specifically your voting your voter right your pinpointly. Because this is a system to change the government. So say it is a crime against the state or state security or for fraud, misrepresentation, or concealment in naturalization petition. Alnga diamu nyoye. Yaje bimbe ba fokanko baro be na banko bebe tinyala baro haina abe midi people stola abe kumolu fola minulu yalonka manyinya manta mela nyim programme oto nak na president kada diamo la for the people by the people sambe mina talaje mina talaje pour ka jube sambe be nyim programme bana maybe in 10 minutes doro mbaban so sign dual citizenship nationality fananka acceptable in Gambia. And I can accept it in other part of the world. I can accept it. I can accept it in other part of the world. So say, ntelunyantaka minke. Wolom nyintiko. Let our oppositions come and work together against Barrow. But let us see platform auto. Talib ikoy muso ikodo di musol mi la lafta listo le jala yalon silfo bayo songo ntenga mera sometimes wallahi na bolom bari silfo wadola la systemo ka jamle ala systemo ka jamle foyte malon ko internal audit ite fambe area council representing area council as a councilor fay malon ko internal audit area council le andum area council ika audit sotole even external audit ka sotole al sabari because of man la fi mola wrong ikoy ba nondila alta ke nola al sabari weda al lafta comparison la yankuba dabola 2 years talib la 8 years nal kalbe ol compare la o total telle bulje but Gambians are not sleeping there. Nte Yankuba, I have advocated for people to vote for him and I never regret. Because Munam, I am seeing him doing very well. Wonderful. Namiroto, he's doing very wonderful. And I will always fight for Yankuba to do good. And I will advocate for Yankuba to do good. This is politics. But what about in la bita be sila platform or alkafugo, Talibi muneke, I'm fenke, I am on la kodo ketene, I'm on la kodo labaji labaji. Itemahan proof killing soto. But those are things minuli alongo, nobody Talib nenatal jabila wala. Wala atina ngarikweso kie. I want to tell you, prove it beyond reasonable doubt, because no Gambian want corruption. Okay, Yusuf Siseko in Denmark, you cannot vote without social security card under your social contains your date of birth, 4 extra number, which you the only person who got those 4 numbers, nobody else. Yalo Yusuf, but you have to be a national force, not coming. You have to look for a social security card, because obviously social security card you will get it when you enter in the work system. Abokoloko Ninata England, their NI system. If you go to Germany, if an social security phone call sotole. If you come to Ireland here, they call it PPSN. In England, they call it NI number. Young PPSN number, our number is everything about you. Number, if you give that number wrong, it will say everything about you. Pam. Yeah. So nyina biye. So mimbi je dro wolom nyintiko. Alimbe nga deng nga try luntangol milbe banko kan ye sensitize. Yeta ni milialongo, they have been there for 15 years. O ni Gambia musole futu o ite mu keolati ye Gambia muso futu o ite musole Gambia ke wo mu 7 years lati. Aleta naturalize bari imari amanya na kela coming ko you are a liability in the country there. No. Ibenyi ninkalele tax return all lale. What were you doing in that country? Foye nyini nkawola. Foye nyini nkawolula. Yena ye wolke then banku sina ye o kaitolu dila. So oto mbenga try nga o sensitization okay. We don't want to be xenophobic. Luntangol mil fanal be banko kam mil ma o criteria nyin soto please mbal danila alta nal la naturalize la aleta le naturalize in a way. We want a change in that country. Andung B, Nalia Jube, Adam Barola made the people store. The exploitation of our finance, in corruption level, our health exposures. And for Baroka lo akafu moleko, molka bona America le kana jara rola Gambia. Yalong ntelmanya na tulunam fanna. Yes, as kenole, module na local treatment la Gambia. Yebo America, because ntelom jaw ntekamo modolal iko sasa mbentala no tuab jararo nte mofinya, because this is in our mentality. But nene mamo tubabula ko sasa mbenna nyanta tala jarara sila dola, not hospital. Jang hospital they treat everything. So malo mbune special sasa dol kataraje for voodoo lom for munong, I don't know. I'm not against it. Wol se keno le modol si bono America le yeta Gambia yeta wo local treatment olke. Bari nyinjabo sono yata Gambela loptano beteata America loptano ultile arambaro ye wala yitandi bari sila adama bama tata mun ni Senegal ni toki pour kate jara je. These are very simple. Alna taw argument la bari ka fuko e binale be talib le sensola foy ka fuko fenkere audit report of inditale ye rohima aliklo min foje bi RVTH iko aka kodo receive jele mi ya lonko it's not accounted for ite ba ite ibe lola e ka fo altel se talib non dino. That young man is a clean man. Alba fola kon telbe mo filindol. Thank you. Aluwa fo molie. But Gambia hakili mal bebe la moy rolale. Nte I would never speak anything bad against any of the UDP Landing Sane or Yankuba. Because I know ko ntelu laftanu minna wolbe wole kekan. Kata malamin ay boja wolbe kafu ko fatata woman nyanati nan lante bi namba fala ko Yankuba man fenga man kete man seta dunda janaba. No. I'm still proud of Yankuba being the West Coast chairman. I'm still proud of him because ntenga vota ay wole kama. England, yeah. Baringamira Allah local council law to Umar Bun. I don't know. Council Fonko. For even prime minister's name Fonko, Alka Fanankeleba. You can, because Malte la ko lo wanyama back. Yalo England, bring, imagine, yalo honey reason, munatina mo jama England fango jube. Dunia banku jama bije motola baro is left hand side, England not a right. What is the reason? Reason le be bulu de. Reason le be bulu. Munat ne telu bank lefta and not a right. England na traffico from is right. Bladolto is left. So reason le be bulu. But it's not the topic. I know about a little about it. But I will not talk about that today, maybe another time. But let us talk to each other. Please, let's be united. Political attack bula. We have a point in Delfanal se milfono, but aman banko na fa fenna, abe divisiono drone nekela. What divisiono? It's going to favor Barrow. Let's unite against Barrow. Doesn't mean we have to make a coalition. But let us unite against Barrow. Nkana misinformation di Gambian Kola. Because munom, Gambian Kol are sitting down. Being ajele, alafo juka sise ko, kontenate lom 690. Juka, ikonte tribalist leti. Bi boydo ya safeje, baringaje mkotoma Ibrahima Tunkara of France. Akai ko no. Musa Sedi is not a tribalist. And Musa Sedi is not a betrayer. But let them call me any kind of name, what they want. After total, let them call me that name. It's not a problem. I don't even respond to them. Kunu, doko, ntenyandang kondong fanfalina to Bensouda. Nga safe nkako, you are a lost person, but I didn't ni momo ya la information of fonye because ninga kondong lo. Nlafta nkako mbe kondong faline tele kondong. Muna manda haba because mbe UDP le 29 years mone na ma fonye kondong falin to Dabo. Anu Dabo is my leader. So ngata UMC ika fonye kondong falin to Talib. You see, they have no argument. Wala nanteka dani wol. Ntedente, I told people, let nobody respond for me. Let nobody respond for me. Hania diate ye fewo femfo yenning ye kuo beke kuo befoma hypocrite la muidi fonko la muidi. Let us nte la problem mu barolet. Nte la problem mu barolet. So alinga wo trenyinta. Aha, thank you, Umar Bun. You have to be a Commonwealth citizen then to vote. Yes, okay. Oh, yeah, okay. Without even having the passport. Okay, all right, thank you. So, alinga wo fight. B, alajube barobe nyin toming. How many vehicles? Ninyin tola budget of fintita. Every Gambian will cry. Our children are going to school, empty stomach. Our mothers, they cannot go to hospital. Our wives cannot go to hospital. Nidemari lafta bungolola. You suffer. You suffer a lot. Aningata politikola. Look, Talib should be the past now. He has his own movement. Whether Talib is going to be Nte, I Musa Sedi, I want to see Talib Bensouda on a ballot box. I want to see Talib Bensouda on the ballot box. Ntema request. Unless your heart is blind and sealed with cement concrete. It's the Gambian who said, we want him. How many percent? Why can't we give him? Alte kuma phone. You see, Obama, atata jang ya invite to the commission, parliamentary inquiry. Aliye Facebook go be fenge. Ay mo la fe on sanne. Ay fonko le keteng. Albe tulo ya mo le imaja albe de tek. Yalon dunia. Ni be ko la mo kay mira la kirala. Because wallahi. Dolu be je famo. Seru 2021 ni campaign o kele. Foye la voters card bondi ya landi. Ya fita ya landi ko sama mbita ngata carte o fay. Ndesan ala ye kumandi. La voters card tuta laring amam fay. Ala yeta. Al nga sila. Political should be done in decency. I have no enemy, especially in UDP. I have been working with these people for how many years? But being in defata, ikomu hypocrite leti, ikomu 6 and 9 leti, ikomu tribalist leti. Bi mole asafede, silfo ba sonkola program oto. Yalo nene nga fojanne, minulu bente kol kanko ha, musa muru na horoma mollo na kanunte ollomu. Ilafta nga muru UDP, but nyadi, fonte nyale mata. Nte nyamama. A party that will bully people? Militants will bully people? You want me to associate myself to that? And my kids will see that and then thinking that kontemu bullying like and I support bullying? I would not do that. Jumala ba folako yente jele in a social media I wrote something against somebody. I will argue on constructive issues. Mimbe banko nafala. Albe siring. Mina short story le folale because 6 kana sile. My president will be in for the people by the people. Alangan ke ku baki. Alangan ke ku baki. Thank you very much, Solomon Jane. Nadia Neng. I am lying or truth also you can insult me. Thank you very much for insulting me. This is how you are grown. You are brought up. Brought up that tenne. Ntaman brought up onyama. Ntabukan nendiroke. Baraka. Ngira ko di alala. Yamo. Okay. Adama Barrow. The issue of Adama Barrow. Imagine B. Aya dingo samba America. Mala dingo mune karande. Andumba fula Adama eko. Thank you for doing that. Because aya dingo la future. Alafta wale mekla. Ntelbe nyo fala jang. Kuma kensen fola. Nde nyo fala jang kuma kensen fola. Adama Barrow. Adingo. Imagine sa aba so face kan. Adama is very intelligent in politics. Because saying, afane Gambian call karane. Altele side, altele tu nendrola drum platform oldo. Naltara platform oldo, alla safero bebe kela nendroleti. Altele tu wala drum. Adama ba la family la life elevate kan. Abebe ta, ndelebe bataka. Ndelebe bataka. Ntema hana kumas. Mbading hani kilintije mimba follow ko Musa en kumandila ko nyoko bu UDP ali be nyininga hani killing atije mimba o folé bari mbe siren ne mbe jubela fetel dol mil kante kumandide je Musa nga nying audio lo moy jumal le ka nyim foy tema ngoy ko Allah mollom de say wo ka atutal buluje me bule jabi da wala Allah mollom de we Allah mollom de to so no abe buluje abudu say wol fanal andum dama fa moy real alebo UDP ngoy dama campaign o fan commence folo Sensitization. I'm trying to sell my agenda. I am trying to sell my candidate to the people. Objectively. Let them call me tribalist, hypocrite, liar. Te kontom falling, te fungo falling, na kontom falling. Wani Gambia la carte fayo nyo soto munen. It's not even, ika constructive issues la sambana. Ini mole kachala. Ini jareta wala. Adama Barrow, adingo. Mina o kachala jan. Alba fala musa ne nyum fanye. Ali fatu. Alba jan lungkili. Fana ala kula bayde. Because Adama malla no mola kote. Sa feel ko adingo dam drone se seno anot. Alinga cooperate against Adama. Andum mbekuma kilim fola jang lastly mbada na woleto. How can we make Adama not to run for third term? Oh snake, thank you. Oh snake, ha. Thank you everybody. You know me na wodolti. It's a snake, green snake. Because nita mantara UDP dro, itamu hypocrite leti, itamu snake leti, itamu tribalist leti, itamu fonko leti. Ngoje, furel ko nyo etala. Ikedol kumandi minna. Iko ifanal ko ikaw le sapi mol bala. Ikedol kumanda. Bari tel ko dal ko ikaw le sapi tel bala. Oto tello munu UDP la tribalist solti. Oto NPP was right. Because I was with you people for 29 years. Andum alka like alka anna program ol sia alka enjoy akadiali. So today you call me tribalist, then NPP is supposed to celebrate that ko nga Musa said munun tribal. NPP kan nene buka ofonte. NPP kan nene fam bukan teneng. In fact, NPP call kana na platform otola. Itel UDP call le fanga fonyengo. Jindi Musa nyili jindi manya ne selen la jang jindi. Nta buke danko because nta ngalon ko itel man political tolerance o NPP call le political tolerance itelti. Wale political to ya political mun noleti. Ya Desa. Albalo alni mo si fam beñol. Kal kandele kamfandi purunte ngandey nadiata miye yenna family bela natalo saki. Nadiata miye ndefan nkensen ya bondi. Nko birinta be wulula nkurun nden kama wulu. Mbo fulale prale sene almade altente dendino la alta try no lale because I am more matured than you. Ninga dol fam la profile yele modol ka kumo mi fay ninga la profile yele nga fo ci muna ñi mo si fal ko nga dubé wol to ay ka fo fay ndesim fam batan ni naba. I'm telling you ni dol fam je nko ika dol fam yaje hadama dingo ye dol fam je hani la ikatara noring no ibe noring ndak hatta no belo because han islamo formation no la mo you need to be decent. So especially you are trying to present yourself, even if you are to comment on social media, make sure that ko ite found ni mo la profile of ye kunyala maji. It's more better. Barolo munna issuti. Let's go for Baro. Well, my next program mba katala bake to sensitize people why UMC is the option, the right party. And why Talib? Biniko Talib Mandokuke, Talib corruptal. Silfo Sonko is contradicting what Lawyer Dabo said. Because Lawyer Dabo, le kafunu ko na lafta UDP man sakunda jala aliyaka KMC la. Aliyaka Landin. Aliyaka. Lawyer Dabo le kanyin funde. What mo Brikama Area Council Silfo Sonko lebeje. So now there go be the Golden Boy. Last interview of the Golden Boy was unique. The mother of the land, Ami Bensouda Drame, a la process through the commission, unique. No, Bun, Kane Danka, pray for them. So that their heart could be clean. yaje hadama di nanga niyo man senea aka ketenne. I am telling you, pray for them. Mbe danila kane danka, no matter what they do, kane danka. Nying mo sifal mil boko nyin Solomon jane wol imala bota dami yalo jane kundankol mo kendol jane mori dol kamol le karandi bari dula hadama dingo sifa do kataraja atelo mo ila sadati imate jate be per la platform to nendiro drong so nyi mo sifal ika duweyele nye dani bun Umar bun baro nga duweye for ala saying isondomo ku yaje sondomo. It's very important hadama dingo bala nde mafu kon sondomo be yata but nde buka mo anyan. No, all my friends knows that nde buka mo anyan nde ninga fenje na friend fam bulu fang nka traile pour ite mari you get a better one than that. I'm telling you. And whatever I have, na friends all be jelebe. Nte fewo fem bem bulu nga soto nyami nka fon na friends all lele nyinke ba ye nyinke. Ifana nyanta nyin soto lale. I do that because munom ba dunia amanjam fa koteke abantanane dunia abantanane mbe nyin 2026 min fokan December lom carte fayode abe jumale tarabbalurin alama jam fala bi do be bula kantela jang abe kumol be fola na moy ko ndesan Musa amantra balurin abanta wallahi billahi imari isa oh alama nemon kafaro kala. Don't say it because you hate me, you don't want me. Nte wallahi billahi tallahi anybody that I don't talk to and I don't like you, billahi wallahi tallahi ni fata han arai pinta safela hani fata nyala I would not even go to your burial because nyanta kato min kelanu wala mu janni be fala nyanta katala le niyedia. Yes, nyanta nakato bekela le pour niyedia wala na alte mo moyla mimba fole ko ni Musa be kuyarin. Yes, ni dol signola Karolandi you have less business but conteni mole be kuyarin data kuyaten and intema remember no aben nafala munela because ni kon ning bun banin be kuyarin which means ko I don't want to talk anything good about her. And tebe fan ya drone fola because ntenga lonko sajo ibun banin birinte na la ko be nyokono hadama din sifa mi mwati amanga ni yo drone chikano ka dinna but because of the fata political la drone yenke mo kurundi yenke wuloti yenke mo wabete na fala munela ate na fala fewo fenna ate na fala fewo fenna alngata politikola nga make so ko mbenga de nga baro boje barolo mgambia la problem odi not me nte I have been advocating pour baro e boje for 29 years bari manke fake wolunde manke hypocrite manke tribalist wolum bari these are people minul ya lonko they have a very low IQ wala yati nanko mo kane danka mo kane neng alinge sensitize. We talk to them genuinely because imalo for maybe dolbeje e supermarket keke wala susu o supermarket keke fo buffalo keke wala if you ne buffalo keke o susu be malal ko buffalo ali manyal jube ni hadama din keke o susu be hadama din manyal kala obviously so halanga diamu yen hadama ya sirola ngani ya fonkolo sotale kadi Allah. Let me go and watch my president in waiting, inshallah. Mbedwala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give us talib. To give us talib. I have a reason. I have a reason. All these presidential candidates, they are all loving and magnificent people. High regard of respect. Sako lawyer Ousainou Darboe, a state man, a man with impeccable character. Ntekana kato kele. Ifanete la kato kai. Now I have seen another way. Don't can't tell our degrade. You go and do yours. Simple and straightforward. Ala baraka baki ngal tentu ngal jay fo wati do ngata na president o jube e bon ben buffalo keko. Okay, abaraka, thank you very much. Ala baraka.